How to report a Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now, if you suspect any of the Facebook account as a fake account or is pretending to be someone else and you would like to report that account. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you have to navigate to that particular account on the Facebook who is pretending to be someone else, or you might think that account is a fake account. So in the search bar, search for that account. For example, this is the account that you would like to block. Now once you navigate to your profile page, there you will find a three-dot icon next to this message button, so tap on it. There is an option as report profile, so tap on report profile. Now from this interface, if someone is in immediate danger, get help before reporting to Facebook, so don't wait. Here it says something about this profile or a specific post. Now you have to choose one from here. If you have the doubt on their post, then select a specific post or go with something about this profile. And here you can choose anyone, either pretending to be someone, fake account, fake name, harassment or bullying, something else. Here I'll go with pretending to be someone. Then tap on who that account is pretending to be, either you or your friend, a celebrity or a business. Here I'll go with celebrity. Then you have to say which celebrity they are pretending to be. After that, tap on next. Now once you're done with that, simply tap on submit and then your report will be submitted to Facebook community, and if it goes something against that account will get blocked. So this is the way to report a Facebook account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.